everyone, and welcome back to... The fuck? Why are there random ducks in the background? I've never noticed that before. Anyways, welcome to Ratchet and Clank, Up Your Arsenal. This is the third and last game in the Ratchet and Clank trilogy, or collection, whatever you want to call it. And I'm honestly amazed that this has definitely lasted me over a week. Because I installed these games on what, March 9th? Okay, well this one on March 8th. These two on March 9th. And it's now the 19th of March. So these two games lasted me 10 days. So, I've been looking forward to playing this, honestly, because, like, well, this is, in my opinion, one of my most favorite games in the series. And throughout the entire playthrough of the first two games, I just kept thinking of moments and quotes from Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. And I gotta tell you, I've been looking forward to this for a very long time. So, let's go ahead and dive right in. It's worth mentioning that this is, that in this game, I actually have gotten all of the trophies, but I'll still be going after the skill points and everything. So I'd like to point out, I think in the near the end of the playthrough of Ratchet and at the end of the playthrough, I think during the final episode of Ratchet and Clank Going Commando, I pointed out that I noticed that in the game's logo or title logo, whatever you want to call it, you could actually see the number 2 in the title. Like, hidden in the back. Well, in this title, someone told me that the ampersand in the logo is actually the number 3. So, very clever on how they did that. So, first off, you may notice there is a multiplayer option. I think back in 2016 or 2018, these were actually, these services were discontinued, so there will be no multiplayer. So, subtitles on, sound stereo, language English. New game. Hi, Angel.
My Blargian Snagglebeast devours your mutant swamp fly. Oh yeah, I bet you didn't see that one coming. Hey, what are you doing?
Check and made.
What? That's cheating!
On the contrary, the rules clearly state that the Blargian Snagglebeast has an allergic reaction to swamp flies that last 2 turns. Ooh, it is on again.
Your luck is extraordinary, sir. But do you lose as gracefully as you win?
I would not know, Maximilian. I never lose.
There is a first time for everything.
Agent Clank!
name is Secret Agent.
Shocking. Bring the car around, Jeeves, and mind the ejector seat this time.
Stay tuned for more Secret Agent Clank.
That was terrific.
Yeah, great. Change the channel.
But the man said to stay tuned.
We continue our live coverage from Veldin. Just hours ago, the planet was attacked without warning by a terrifying alien race known as the Tyrannoids. Officials believe that an evil robotic supervillain known as Dr. Nefarious is the mastermind behind the Tyrannoid attack. As you can see, the Galactic Rangers are putting up a valiant fight, but they are no match for these tentacle-eyed terrors. Indeed, this backwater planet may be completely destroyed in a matter of hours. Darla Gratch, Channel 64 News.
We're going home.
But Veldin is in a Solana galaxy. Oh no, not the gravimetric warp drive. The untested gravimetric warp drive? The one you built from bloggy and scrap metal?
Coming?
We are doomed.
You were saying?
I stand corrected.
I just hope we're not too late.
I doubt we will be. Oh,
Greetings, Client 91802, and welcome back to the Solana Galaxy.
alright, just a moment. Alright. I had a delicious, oh, hold on. No, needs to be slowed down a bit more. Ooh, the controls feel a lot smoother now. The controls do feel a lot smoother.
These must be the Galactic Rangers.
Hey, look! It's a new sergeant!
Huh?
Hey, Sarge, you can have my gun. There's too many of them! We're all gonna die!
Press circle to fire your shock blaster.
Shock blaster, cool. Ah! Oh, thank God, the growth bar no longer has that weird. Oop. The growth bar no longer has that weird looking, you know. It doesn't have that weird looking growth bar anymore.
Am I glad to see you, Sarge? We're pinned down by that enemy vehicle. Somebody's gotta take it out.
Let me guess. That somebody is me.
You gotta volunteer. Here, Sarge, take this. We'll cover you. From back there!
Try using the nitro launcher against that vehicle.
Nitro launcher. Ooh. Alley-oop. Neato. So yeah, shock blaster, nitro launcher. Ooh, that's a nice feature. Now we can see what the quick weapon swap is gonna change to. Cool.
To select weapons, hold triangle and select an icon with the left analog stick.
Yep. Ah.
Hold L1 to precisely target your weapon.
Kind of like that. Gotta sneeze. Alright. Gotcha. I'm gonna turn down the Get off of my planet. I do like how it almost immediately gives me experience instead of me having to wait like a second or two to have it determine how much experience I have.
Your maximum nanotech level has increased.
Sweet! Now, you may notice something. There's a little number in letter that says V1 right near where my weapon growth bar is. That's because in this game weapons have 5 levels you can upgrade each of them to. So, yeah. Wait. Hold up. Hold up. I'm pretty sure this is most definitely my home planet. I know. I mean, like this is like part of where my home is. Like this right here, I remember this Quark poster. Oh god, that's a very, very dizzying fast camera. Oh god, this is where my adventure. This is where the game started, like in the first game. Oh no, they are gonna pay for this.
Terranoids have fallen back to a base in F sector. We have orders to go in and take them out. F sector? No way. Game over, man. We're all gonna end up as scrap metal.
Get back in there, Trooper. We've got a planet to save.
Sir, yes, sir. I'm afraid of heights.
Whee!
Stay frosty, people. The Noids could be hiding anywhere.
Well, there goes that guy.
Watch out! They're coming out of the rubble.
Ooh, tougher noids. Sweet!
Your weapon has upgraded. Weapons upgrade automatically when they're used frequently.
Onto the nitro launcher
Hold circle to charge up the shock blaster.
for more powerful attack. Holy cow.
Release those Terranoids.
Holy shit!
Doors open. Look out!
I feel like effects volume also like kind of affects like the voice and everything. Maybe. Alright, soldiers, move out!
Destroy that vehicle.
Done and oh, it's not done and done. Now it's done and done.
Sir, we have a transmission from the president.
How are things on the front lines, soldier? Is that secret agent Clank?
Greetings, sir. We are here to help.
Well, this is an honor, and I see you brought your chauffeur along.
What? No. Hold on a second, sir.
Agent Clank, we must stop Dr. Nefarious. As you may know, only one man has ever faced him and survived. I've just received a top secret report on that man's whereabouts. Here, take a look.
On tonight's episode of Nature's Mysteries, we examine the Florana tree beast. Deep in the dense growth of Florana's Jambu forest lives a mysterious creature. Or maybe he doesn't. It's one of Nature's Mysteries.
I seen him run right through our camping site. He was buck naked, screaming and holding a banana. Or maybe it weren't a banana. It could be.
One of Nature's Mysteries. Legend tells that this mysterious creature is actually one of the greatest superheroes who ever lived. Shamed by his recent past, he is now one of Nature's Mysteries. Tune in and find out the answers.
We need you to find this man. The fate of the galaxy may depend on it.
Are you sure this is the guy you're looking for, Mr. President? Yeah, he seems like kind of a, wacko.
You may be right, but he's the best chance we've got. I know you boys won't let me down.
You can count on us, sir.
I think I know exactly who we're looking for. And I'm not sure about this. Florana. Oh yeah, we're back with Gadgetron now. Now, the Plasma Whip is not exactly one of the greatest weapons, but I'll buy it just in case just so I don't run out of ammo on something.
To throw your whip, hold R1 and press circle.
It is handy for taking out, small creatures. But it's not very strong. And the thing that bothers me the most about the Plasma Whip is that it uses ammunition.
The controller can be configured with multiple button maps, including a map that places the fire command on R1. To change to a different button map, press Start, then enter the Options menu and select Controls.
I like how my layout is. Ow. That fucking hurt. I really like the exotic music here though. Ooh, bolt multiplier crate.
The jackpot crate multiplies all bolts and experience gained for a limited time.
Bolts and experience? Wow. Well, for right now, it's mostly used on crates. Yeah, there it goes. That was a freaky looking creature. Ow! Well, aren't you a punk? So, it's also worth mentioning that in this game, we're not looking for platinum bolts, but titanium bolts. And titanium bolts, in this game, they're actually mostly used to, they're used for special skins. So there's that. But, you know, it's still nice if they're used for something.
Climb a ladder by jumping onto it and pressing X until you reach the top.
Hey guys, what you talking about? Mind if I join? Ah, good timing. I need ammo. Oh, that's a nice touch. That it... Huh. That's a nice touch, that it, makes the icon for anything ammo required go- wait. Oh. They do have an icon for that. Neat. Now, yeah, that finishes my thought I was gonna say. There's, on occasion there's special little trophies that you can collect. And one of them is over there. I think you get trophies by doing certain things, but... Okay, this camera speed, this has to be fixed. I guess it just... the speed just dramatically changes, depending on what mode I'm in. Which I find to be kind of ridiculous. Where am I? Oh wait, no, I know where I am. Oh, okay, I have to go down there. Alright. Adieu! Boop! Wow, these guys... That looks cool.
Inferno mode. Your armor and wrench attack have been greatly increased for a limited time.
Double wrenchies! And I died. But hey, I got a checkpoint. And thank God it doesn't start me back all the way from the start of the level again. Ow! Ow! Can you knock it the hell off? Thank you.
To jump between walls, jump, then press X in midair while next to a wall.
I could definitely use that health. Never mess with the Lombax. Let that be a lesson to y'all.
To use a zip
Yep.
line, stand under it and jump.
Oh, this could be a bit dangerous. Yeah! I don't know if I just killed an enemy or not. It's always good to switch between weapons to deal with enemies in a certain way.
Ratchet, we have company.
Where?
Behind you.
Where?
Behind you.
Very funny. You having a good time?
You trespass on sacred ground. Now you walk path of death.
But, sir,
Path of death.
Path of death. I love that. I love that. That's all it says. All right, we're probably like about 30 minutes in, but we're near the end of this area, so might as well do it. Now, I believe there's a skill point. Oops. I believe there's a skill point for getting through this without getting hit. Because as you can see, we have cheats, we have skins, and as you see here, it says it costs 4 titanium bolts. So that's where the titanium bolts go. Skill points. Stay squeaky clean. Pretty sure that means I have to get through this without getting hit. But you know, I'll just do whatever skill points I may remember as we go along, and just worry about the harder ones later.
To center the camera, tap L1.
Oh god! Well, this is certainly an awkward predicament. Wait. I wonder... Okay, I was trying to do the double jump glitch, but evidently that doesn't work. I do like that the double jump feels a lot smoother than it did before. Oh, what the hell? That part would definitely be annoying. Ow!
Not be.
Okay, we walked your path of death. Now, tell us what you know about Dr. Nefarious.
Huh?
Dr. Nefarious! They say you're the only man to ever beat him.
Huh?
This guy's even dumber than...
Captain Quark?
Yeah, Captain... Woo! That's it, Quark. You've had this coming for a long time.
Indeed you have. Let's finish him. Hey, thank you. Damn it! Yeah!
So, Quark has completely lost his mind. Now what?
Just keep the mask on. He thinks you are his new leader.
Great.
Incoming call.
This is Captain Sasha of the Starship Phoenix. The President has asked me to assist you.
Hi.
I see you have located Captain Quark.
Yeah, we got him, but, well, he thinks he's a monkey.
Of course. Bring him to the Phoenix and we'll see what we can do. Sasha out.
Did you see how much experience I got when I beat Quark with the fucking thingy? I guess my, Nitro Bomb thingy is the next thing to upgrade again. That's why I like taking out bosses with certain weapons, because they give a lot of EXP for it.
Look at that, Clank. This ship is amazing.
Welcome aboard the Phoenix, gentlemen.
Whoa.
Impressive, isn't she? The Phoenix is the pride of the galactic fleet. She's equipped with the latest technology. Holodeck training suite, auto vendors for armor and weapons, virtual firing range, starfighter upgrade system, even a Gadgetron VG-9000 game system.
A VG-9000?
Of course. With a Mavix Fireball Pro controller, VR headset, and a zero-G dance pad attachment.
Will you marry me?
Well, you've obviously had an exhausting trip. Why don't you stop by your quarters? We prepared a custom living area for Quark, so he won't get in your way. Come meet me on the bridge when you're ready.
To view the world map, press select or R3.
Somebody pinch me, cause I must be dreaming. Anyways, until next time everyone, in the next episode of Ratchet and Clank, up your arsenal. So we've finally gotten Quark, but of course he's totally gone bananas, pun intended. So we're gonna have to see what we can do about that. Next time, I'll give y'all a tour of the Starship Phoenix, and then we'll see what mission we have next. If you liked this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.